Today, we're going to break down Bitcoin in a bit of detail because not only can you make money from Bitcoin, it's also a great indicator of what's likely to occur with the rest of the market. So, when we're looking at the price, just pure price action with Bitcoin, clearly we've had a nice move to the downside. A few key things. This swing low has been exceeded. Now, that would indicate to us that this high is likely to hold. However, markets tend to move in fives and threes. So, looking at Bitcoin, we're probably going to get over the next couple of days at least one more move to the downside. But then I'm anticipating some type of correction. Now, to help us with that, I'm going to look at the momentum position of a Bitcoin. So I'm going to pull up a couple of momentum indicators, and I've also got my trend identifier dashboard. Now, what this tells me is the weekly momentum overall is bearish. So the overall trend is down and is likely to be down over the next 4 to 6, maybe even 8 weeks. But the immediate trend, this indicates to us that we're going to be sideways to up in the first half of next week. In other words, one more leg to the downside and then probably some type of correction to the upside. That's what we're expecting from a momentum position. But what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pull up the pattern position on this as well. And by the way, I've got a weekly report with Bitcoin. It's a new membership area which you can now access for free. And I upload a new report, and I've done a detailed one today that breaks down everything I'm covering in a lot more depth. And I've also included a few extra goodies like some training on Elliott waves so you can really get the most out of the market, so you can see what's happening and what's not happening as well. And what you'll see in the link below is this page. Sign up for free and you'll get instant access to the free membership area. So what I'm going to do is, just to finish on today, I'm going to keep it quite high level. I know I've got a lot on the chart, but in the Bitcoin report, I break this down in a lot more depth, is what I'm anticipating, looking at momentum, pattern, price, knowing that we've got the consumer price index announcement on the 14th of February, and the price tends to react in some way, at least short term, to the consumer price index. I'm expecting today, tomorrow, probably be sideways to down, and then some type of correction going into this price range over here. I'm very aware of this price point over here, this high, which is $24,262. If Bitcoin does end up exceeding that high over here, then we need to reevaluate. But the probability is that we're just going to get some type of correction and then a continuation in the later half of next week, probably going into the following week. And if we break below this point over here, then we might be on a longer trajectory on the downward market of Bitcoin. But do check out the free report. I've gone into a lot of detail. And again, today I just wanted to keep it quite high level so you can see that the overall trend, next couple of days, sideways to down, probably going to get some type of reaction. So don't get overly excited, because the market might get overly excited about that movement to the upside if we do get that. But then to have a continuation probably mid to the end of next week. Let's finish with a quote from my book. We're going to go with chapter 1 today, one of my favorites. The athlete Michael Jordan. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. It's very similar to trading. You've got to take the shot when the probability is there, and eventually, if you just keep playing the odds, you will win in the long run. So if you've got value from today, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share this video as well, because keeping a close eye on Bitcoin will give us a feel for the macro viewpoint of the entire crypto market.